Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to really easily and lazily level up your ability to level farming or agriculture, I guess is what it's called, inside of Abiotic Factor. So there's a number of places, including one of the early rifts near Flat Hill, that provide you with respawning alien wheat, antiverse wheat, that you can just go and pick up. And in this game, you get the most level for farming when you just go up and harvest a plant that's just fully grown. You get 240, at least I do, per round of picking this wheat because I have the buff where I have wrinkly brain meat, so that every time I pick up this wheat, I get a bunch of experience. You can also find this rice as well, that's right there. You're gonna have to jump to grab it. Similarly, I think I'm gonna have to jump over here to grab the rest of this wheat, but it's an easy way to lazily level up your agriculture while your friends are maybe trying to actually physically grow stuff at your base so that you can keep up with them and level up. I have exclusively leveled agriculture up to level 11 by simply going around harvesting stuff that generates in the world automatically. So yeah, that's it. That's the really lazy, easy way to level up your farming inside of Abiotic Factor. Just be careful of the locals. They don't like it when you steal their wheat.